Summer's just around the corner and I have the perfect recipe for you guys. This video is sponsored by my good friends from Madland Bakery, and we're gonna make some crostinis for your next outdoor cookout. Let's cook. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Chef Threads. Let's jump right into this recipe by peeling, slicing, and grilling our peaches. I like to toss our peaches in a little bit of olive oil, helps get a nice char on them. Let's head on over to the grill, and I'm only going to grill these on each side for about 2 minutes. Next, let's work on our prosciutto. I like to lay these out in shingles layers and then go ahead and slice them roll nice and thin, and we're just going to throw them into a saute pan and just get a nice flash fry on them. We don't want to overcook them, we just want to get a little bit of a crisp to them. Now let's go into our base of our crostini, which is going to be the goat cheese and honey. I did about 1 tablespoon per 4-ounce container of goat cheese, and then mix until everything's incorporated and soft. Lastly, for the star of the show, our beautiful loaf of sourdough baguette brought to you by Madland Bakery. Just give this a quick cut on the bias, nice 1/2-inch thickness pieces. And then we're gonna hit them with some olive oil, salt, pepper, dried oregano, and garlic powder. Then go ahead and toss them into your 350-degree preheated oven for about 5 to 6 minutes. Now for assembly, you're going to start with your goat cheese base, followed by your grilled peach, top it with your toasted prosciutto, and enjoy. In my years of catering, whenever I would do weddings, this was always a crowd favorite when it come to the bride. She always wanted to have one of these as her past apps. So I really hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Those are so delicious and literally the perfect blend between sweet, savory, and salty. Thank you, Madland Bakery, for helping me make today's recipe. If you enjoyed today's recipe, please give this video a like. If you want to subscribe to our channel, please feel free to subscribe to our channel. We do cooking videos every Tuesday. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments down below. I'd love to answer them for you, or happy to answer them for you. Hope everybody has a great day. And as always, guys, don't forget the threads. Thank you for watching.